Building a successful paralegal career in 2025. The rise of AI, shaping the future of paralegal work. Modern law office, see the dashboards. Paralegals work alongside digital assistants, not against them. Welcome to 2025, where artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword, it's the engine powering the next evolution of legal practice. For paralegals, AI is transforming the landscape, streamlining workflows, and opening doors to new opportunities. Document automation and review. Imagine AI-powered tools that can review hundreds of contracts in minutes, flag inconsistencies, and even suggest edits. Platforms like Spellbook and Kira systems are revolutionizing how paralegals handle document review and contract analysis, freeing up precious time for more strategic work. Legal research, no more endless scrolling through databases. AI-driven platforms like Westlaw Edge and Lexis Plus use natural language processing to quickly surface relevant cases, statutes, and legal opinions. Generative AI can now summarize lengthy case files and even predict outcomes based on historical data. Workflow and case management. AI-enhanced systems such as Clio Manage automate calendaring, track deadlines, and organize case files, reducing the risk of errors and missed dates. E-discovery platforms like Relativity use machine learning to sift through massive datasets, pinpointing the documents that matter most. The human touch, why paralegals remain essential. With all this automation, you might wonder, will AI replace paralegals? The answer is clear: absolutely not. AI is a powerful assistant, but it can't replicate the judgment, empathy, or nuanced understanding that human paralegals bring to the table. Collaboration, not competition. AI handles the repetitive, time-consuming tasks, while paralegals focus on client relationships, legal strategy, and interpreting complex data. The most successful paralegals are those who embrace AI as a partner, not a rival. Adapting and UPSKLL. The key to job security is adaptability. Paralegals who learn to leverage AI mastering data analysis, project management, and tech fluency are more in demand than ever. Upskilling in areas like data interpretation and process optimization ensures you remain an indispensable part of any legal team. Embracing the future, your path forward. AI is here to stay, and it's making paralegal work more strategic, efficient, and rewarding. By embracing technology, continuously learning, and honing your uniquely human skills, you can not only future-proof your career, but also lead the charge in a rapidly evolving legal world. Finally, paralegal confidently collaborating with AI, clients, and attorneys, delivering results faster and smarter than ever. How can paralegals leverage AI to improve their workflow efficiency? What are the ethical considerations of using AI in legal practices? How can paralegals stay updated with the latest AI tools and technologies? What are the potential risks of relying too heavily on AI in legal document management? How can paralegals balance their human skills with the use of AI in their work? What are the potential risks of relying too heavily on AI in legal document management? What are the potential risks of relying too heavily on AI in legal document management? Answer. Sources. Potential risks of relying too heavily on AI in legal document management. Relying extensively on AI in legal document management offers efficiency and productivity gains, but it also introduces significant risks that legal professionals must carefully manage. Data security and confidentiality risks. AI systems often require uploading sensitive client information to cloud-based platforms, raising concerns about data breaches, unauthorized access, and compliance with privacy regulations. If these platforms are compromised, client confidentiality could be jeopardized, potentially resulting in liability issues and regulatory breaches. AI-generated content is not always reliable. There have been documented cases where AI tools fabricated case law or misquoted legislation, leading to incorrect filings and even court sanctions. Over-reliance on AI output without proper human review can result in poor legal advice, negligence claims, and reputational harm. reduced human oversight, and skill atrophy. Depending too much on AI can lead to a decline in core legal skills such as research, writing, and critical analysis. If AI tools fail or are unavailable, legal professionals may struggle to perform essential tasks independently. Human oversight is necessary to catch errors and ensure quality. Ethical and professional responsibility concerns. AI cannot replicate human judgment, empathy, or nuanced understanding of legal and ethical issues. Lawyers and paralegals remain responsible for supervising AI use, maintaining client care standards, and making final decisions. Failing to do so could breach professional conduct obligations. Bias and lack of transparency. AI systems can perpetuate or even amplify biases present in their training data, leading to discriminatory or unfair outcomes. The black box nature of many AI algorithms makes it difficult to understand or challenge their reasoning, raising accountability and transparency concerns. System failures and operational disruption. Technical issues such as software bugs, network outages, or cyber attacks can disrupt workflow and potentially compromise client data. Overdependence on AI increases vulnerability to such disruptions. Many AI tools are developed and hosted by third parties, introducing additional compliance and liability risks. Firms must ensure that vendors meet security and regulatory standards, and that their own policies address AI use and risk management. Job displacement concerns. While AI can streamline processes, it may also lead to job displacement or role changes within legal teams. Upskilling and adapting to work alongside AI are essential to remain relevant and valuable. Conclusion. AI is a powerful tool for legal document management, but it is not a substitute for human expertise, oversight, and ethical judgment. Law firms and legal professionals must balance AI adoption with robust security, regular human review, and ongoing training to mitigate these risks and uphold professional standards.